Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another practice. It's windy today as you can see, but I really enjoy smelling the taste of salty water. So I don't think you can feel it, but to be honest, like, it's really an amazing experience, like practicing in such a wind with water coming, smelling really salty. Here we go. Full body mobility, flexibility for today. Nice and easy start. Take care of your body. Don't forget your body is your clock. Practice step by step. Don't complain. Here we go. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay. Draw your arms up. Lock them. Push up as high as possible. Hold 3, 2, 1, good job. Grab your right elbow, bend your right arm. Nice and easy, take a deep breath. Exhale and drive towards the left side. And back, switch. Grab your left, take a deep breath. And right side. Nice. Okay, open your arms towards the side. We're gonna nice and slow twist towards the left side first. Switch towards the right one first. One more time left. One more time right. Okay, release. The next one, let's add some upper body mobility. Place your arms behind your head. Move your hips backwards, please. Lengthening for the spine, keep your lower back straight. From here, we're gonna close our elbows and open up. Close and open. Go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. 6. Push your elbows backwards. 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Open arms towards the side. Release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, we continue. Upper body mobility, left elbow on the ground. Should be in front of you, right arm behind your head. Take a deep breath, drive your right elbow towards the ground. Inhale deeply. Exhale and open up. Let's go. 10, 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Right arm on the ground, left arm behind. Take a deep breath. Let's work. And 2, push. 3, nice and smooth. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, we continue. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, next we're moving to our hips and upper back. First, right knee on the ground. Then from here, you move your hips forward. Then from here, you place your left arm. You move your hips towards the left side a little bit, not too much. Place your left arm on the ground. From here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna drive our right arm up, opening, pushing our chest forward, and squeeze it, go back and back. Here we go. Take a deep breath 10 times. Up. Your knee is pushing your shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Last one, 10. Then hold, 3, 2, 1, and release. Sit down first, take a deep breath, we're gonna switch sides. Exhale, my friends. Okay, right leg towards the side, hips pushing forward, drive your hip a little bit lower, right arm on the ground, take a deep breath, and up. 1, 2, 3, your knees pushing the arm, 4, 5, 6, nice and smooth, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10, and hold, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, take a deep breath, moving toward the next one. Exhale. The next one will be hip mobility. Take care what I'm going to do. Place your arms on the hip. Then from here, we're going to drive our left hip, starting from the left side. Towards the left side first. Then from here, we're going to move our hips backwards towards the side, middle, and again. Side, backwards, forward. Side, backwards, forward. So when you're moving backwards, it's like you're doing small semicircle. Then bringing your hip in the middle, and then begin same. For those who may feel pain under your knee, you can place a yoga block or a pillow or something soft. Take a deep breath. I'll move my knee forward a little bit. I will support my toe. Take a deep breath. Here we go, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your lower back straight. 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, take a deep breath. We're gonna switch side. Exhale. Same, right leg towards the side, hips pushing forward, arms on your hip. Take a deep breath. Towards the right side. Backwards, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. We're going to move to the next one. Exhale. Adding hips with upper body. So from here, what we're going to do, place your right arm on the ground, open the left arm towards the side. From here, we're going to drive our left arm towards the right side, bending our right arm, lengthening forward as much as we can. Then we back up, we're going to bend our left leg, and we're going to slide towards the left side. Down on the ground, let's add chest towards the right side, then open our left arm, and then slide towards the left side. So it will be better if we will add chest more. Here we go. We're going to do 10 times on each side. Keep your legs straight, do it closer to your body, do not go too far away. Take a deep breath. Here we go, 10. 1, 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. We're gonna switch side. Exhale. Right arm straight. Left arm closer to your body. Take a deep breath. Here we go, towards the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, one more, 10, and hold. 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome. Nice one, my friends. Take a deep breath. Exhale. The next one might be more challenging for many of you, but let's try. Knees on the ground. We're gonna open our right leg towards the side, hip forward. We're gonna open our arms towards the side. From here, what I want you to do, we're gonna drive towards the right leg. We're gonna bend our elbow, drive it towards our leg, right leg, and open towards the side. And then we're back. And then we drive, and then we open. And then we're back. Squeezing our hips forward, then we're driving towards the side. Here we go, 10. Let's work. 1, 2. You need to move your hip backwards a little bit. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10, and hold. 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome. Nice mobility. Take a deep breath. Exhale. We're gonna switch side. Right leg in front, left leg on the ground. We're gonna open our arms towards the side. From here, we're gonna twist towards the left side, bringing our elbow on the ground and open up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drive as far as you can. 6. Bring your hip in the middle. 7, 8, 9. One more. 10, and hold. 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Moving toward the next one. A little bit of conditioning. Take care of what I'm gonna do. Right knee on the ground, left leg straight back. From here, what I want you to do, tight your core, engage your core low back. Then raise your left. We're gonna raise our left leg, but here works more your right side. So let me show you first. We're gonna squeeze up our right side by pushing our hips backwards. From here, we're gonna bend our knee towards our chest, bring back straight leg, middle, and down. One more time, take a look, please. First, up with rotation from your right hip, then you bend your knee towards your core, then you open up, then you twist back, then your leg goes back. Here we go, 10 times totally. Take a deep breath. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and breathe. Do it with nice and small control. Try to not be rushed. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Here we go, another side. 10. Same thing. Left knee on the ground, right leg straight back. Squeeze your core low back, keep it tight. Then we're gonna start from the left one. Don't forget, left is working first. Take care. 3, 2, 1. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Both knees on the ground. Take a deep breath. Rotate your pelvis. We're gonna do down dog. Nice and smooth. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice and smooth. Bring your elbows on the ground. Keep pushing your shoulders backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, nice and smooth. You fall forward to chaturanga, to push up. For those who doesn't know, move your shoulders forward, nice and smooth. Push, chest on the ground. Take a deep breath. Push up. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Nice and smooth. Go to baby pose. Move your hips backwards, lengthening for the spine, arms forward. Breathe. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, we are done. Hope you enjoyed the class. Take care of yourself. If you find my content useful, you can share it, like, comment, suggest. I'm always welcome. Take care of yourself. Don't forget, your body is your clock. Peace out.